Walk 'em like a dog, walk 'em like a dog, sis, walk 'em like a dog. Welcome the fuck back, bitch. It's been a long time since I left you without a dope video. I don't know, do your makeup too? So my favorite pencil is out, so I'm gonna be going back to the ABH Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. This one, I already have the swirls up doing my eyebrows with this, so go find it. So now I'm going to conceal using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer mixed with the Colourpop Concealer. Arching your eyebrow, like holding it up, will help you find the arch for people who have no arch or a low arch. And boom, I'm gonna go to foundation and primer. So I prime my face with this daytime moisturizer by LaVie Do'r. It's this primer oil that I got from TJ Maxx for like $5. And we're gonna use this on my face as well. This is the Huda Beauty foundation. My favorite foundation is Dior Forever Skin, I think that's what it's called. My even more favorite foundation is the YSL foundation, which is bomb.com, but I lost it. Pump this on my face. Chin. No, that's it. I'm not using no more of this because it's super thick. And then I'm going to get my Colourpop foundation. And I'm going to kind of rub this in.
Alright, well I will talk to you later. Get back to your YouTube video.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so I know I just kind of stopped talking for a long time, but oh wow, this piece so nice. Dang, like, please. So I'm going to add some more concealer. More. If you're wondering why I'm using brushes instead of my beauty blender, all of my beauty blenders got eaten by a ghost. All of my beauty blenders got eaten by a ghost, and they just disappeared. So yeah. Yes, I contour and highlight my nose to the gods because I like it. think I want a little bit more highlight, a little bit. Only because I'm doing a smoky bottom lash line because I want my lash line to look like it is popping. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline FIT ME setting powders. So I'm gonna pick this, and then yes, I'm gonna drag it over my eyebrows because I don't like dark brows. So I'm gonna use this darker powder to put everywhere and to set the rest of my face. Now that I look like a boring biscuit, I'm going to wear my face up. Our ABH bronzer in mahogany, and we're gonna use our Fenty Beauty bronzer in cocoa naughty. I'm gonna use both of these. This is my favorite blush. It's like the only blush I use. Our base is done. Okay, so now we're gonna do eyes. I'm gonna use this palette, my Jaclyn hair palette. Honestly, I'm a little too lazy to show you guys what colors I'm using, so yeah. So we're gonna use this big brush. We're gonna get a dark brown eyeshadow and finish smoking out our lash line. I'm gonna add a little bit of reddish, like orangish under it. The lashes today I'm using are Venom lashes from my collection, of course. These lashes are currently on sale for $15, some as low as $8, so you guys should go and check that out. Okay guys, my camera's on, so I went ahead and added a brown lip liner and my favorite umber lip combo. This is a lip by NYX. And I'm gonna spray my face again with some Morphe misting spray. My camera's dying, so I'm trying to hurry it up. Okay you guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll definitely be doing more, so please don't start. And yes, I'm back, she's back, we're back.